My client went from this to this, and me, I went from this to this. So if you want to lift your brows, lift your hooded lids, have less crow's feet, less dark circles, plump your skin, look 5 years younger. Listen, this is advanced microneedling right now. What I'm gonna do, you only need 3 things to disinfect your eye area: Dermaroller and a timer. If you need anything extra, it's fine. So I'm using liquid oxygen foam to disinfect my eye area. I already disinfected Dermaroller. If you need to know how to actually disinfect Dermaroller, I'm gonna put link right here. And I'm taking 1 pump of oxygen. This is a liquid oxygen. Liquid oxygen disinfects better your skin and your microneedling tools than alcohol. So I'm gonna be using Dermaroller on my brows, around the eyes, on the crow's feet, and underneath here and over here 11 lines. Then I have a clean towel that I only use for the skin and nothing else. Of course, before that I washed my hands twice. And I'm gonna disinfect my hands as well with the liquid oxygen. I highly, guys, recommend to get liquid oxygen. We have refills. We have a big bottle, 180 mils, and this is 60 mils, small travel size, really great. So what I'm gonna do, I have this timer. This is the best thing when you advance, you know you're not gonna overdo. I'm taking Dermaroller, real individual needle Dermaroller, trademarked by Jean Amber Beauty. And it does have a real medical grade needles to dermaroll your skin to make you look beautiful, radiant, beautiful. Let's get started. 1 minute. That's only for advanced. That's mean for advanced people. If you've been using Dermaroller for more than 20 times around your eye zone, this is for you. Let's go. And I go on my brow. I go like that. I make a triangle. You never wanna go and do this with Dermaroller, and just demonstrating, I have to show you. It's okay to go down in that area, you can go up, but one thing you have to know, you have to always lift Dermaroller. And basically I make 5 lines. I don't know how to say in English, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what I mean, guys. And then as long as you can, until 1 minute timer gonna go off. And I'm actually really pressing Dermaroller, really, really, really. You feel tingling? That's fine. Where the most of the issue in my case is saggy eyelids. This is where my issue. If your issue is crow's feet, spend more time over here on the crow's feet. Okay, there we go. Now another side. I'm flipping again. 1 minute here, and let's go. Starting with the brow. It doesn't really matter where you start. The most importantly, you lift, and you always roll in the straight line, not a circular line. That's what you want to do. And here on the crow's feet, you guys are gonna be like, why going down? You can go down or up, doesn't really matter, guys. This is very small spot on the skin. Better if you go up, but sometimes it's so uncomfortable in certain spots, in certain situations on your face, on your skin, especially where you have a bone, like over here. It's somehow easier for me to go down, and that's okay. Don't beat yourself up. All right, let's lift that brow. Let's lift that saggy lid. And one of my eyes is actually less saggy than the other. You see? All right, timer is off. Now I can take 1 more minute. Like, this is extremely, extremely, extremely advanced. I'm going to take 1 more minute, kind of still go around the brows, 11 lines, because I missed that. And I'm kind of going to dermaroll a little bit on the tip of my nose right here when I make those 11 lines, like angry face or thinking, like here. 1 more extra minute. So going up. You don't bleed on this area, guys. If you're bleeding around your eyes, you're way overdoing, you're way overusing and using too big size. I don't recommend to use bigger size than 0.25 on this area because it's very, very thin. And if you use too big size, you're gonna overdo it, and that might gonna make it worse. That's it. 3 minutes. I'm gonna disinfect the Dermaroll as well with the liquid oxygen. That's the best thing. Now I'm gonna apply peptide serum. Is firming, is tightening, is anti-aging. Love this. My favorite natural peptide serum from Genama Beauty. I'm applying only around the eye zone. Kind of gentle. This is very gentle formula, so it's okay to apply a little bit more than less. Oh, that feels good. It's like kind of cooling, like right away. And a little bit of tingling dryness next day, it's fine, but shouldn't be too much. Don't forget sunscreen. And what I'm gonna do, Hydra Lift Eye Mask. This is hydrating mask with all beautiful tightening, hydrating, anti-aging ingredients, all natural roots, plants, vegan, for those who need to know that this is vegan. So I'm gonna take one mask. It's kind of a little bit weird to apply, but once you get used to it, it's fine. I'm trying to see myself in the viewfinder. There we go. There we go. Mask number 1, and then taking second mask, and that longest part I'm gonna go on the top of the brow, and here and here, and that's it. You stay with this mask for as long as you want. And welcome to Hydrated Eye Zone team. I'm inviting you. You're officially gonna look 5 years younger. If you're gonna do this, I promise you, if you're gonna do this for at least 10-20 times, I swear you're gonna see results. One thing, if you don't like any of my products, you can return, no questions asked, 45 days money back guarantee. Now after this, no sauna, no working out, no sun for at least like 1-2 days. Always wear sunscreen when you go outside. Not exfoliating with any acid scrubs or anything like that for the next 2-3 days. Once a week, totally enough for that treatment if you want to look younger and feel freaking cool.